Namaskar. Today we will be seeing one of the basic phrases which includes dhage titta and gege titta and some of the variations of it. Basically, it is a very simple phrase for beginners, but it is also quite difficult to play in higher speeds with clarity. So it is good for Riyaz to advanced players too, or intermediate level students also. The phrase is as dhage titta, gege titta, dhage titta. And we are making 4 lines of the same phrase. 3 lines are of bhari and the third line is of khali. Dha will become ta, ge will be ki. So it will be dhage titta, gege titta, dhage titta, gege titta, dhage titta, take titta, keke titta, take titta, dhage titta, gege titta, dhage titta, ta. Dhage titta, gege titta, gege titta, dhage titta, gege titta, gege titta, dhage titta, take titta, keke titta, take titta, dhage titta, gege titta, dhage titta. Let's play along with the metronome. This is the first phrase. Now we are making one of the variations of it. It is dhage titta titta, dhage titta, gege titta. Again the structure is same, 4 lines. Dhage titta titta, dhage titta, gege titta, dhage titta titta, dhage titta, gege titta, take titta titta, take titta, keke titta, dhage titta titta, dhage titta, gege titta. The third variation is dhage titta titta titta, dhage titta, gege titta. Dhage titta titta titta, dhage titta, gege titta, dhage titta titta titta, dhage titta, gege titta, take titta titta titta, take titta, keke titta, dhage titta titta titta, dhage titta, gege titta. The fourth variation is dhage titta titta dhage titta titta gege titta. Dhage titta titta dhage titta titta gege titta dhage titta titta dhage titta titta gege titta take titta titta take titta titta gege titta dhage titta titta dhage titta titta gege titta. These are the four variations we have learned today. Let's play all of them one by one. First, dhage titta gege titta gege titta dhage titta. Second, dhage dhage titta titta dhage titta gege titta. Third, dhage titta 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 dhage titta gege titta. And the fourth, dhage titta titta dhage titta titta gege titta. Practice these four variations couple of times. First practice each variation a couple of times and then try to play one after the other. Hope you have enjoyed this video. We will be making more variations of such basic phrases in upcoming videos. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I conduct online as well as offline classes. You may contact me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much.